Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Coneflower Bird Feeder is probably one of the most charming and effective ways to attract a vibrant array of feathered friends to your backyard, transforming your outdoor space into a lively sanctuary buzzing with avian activity and natural beauty, all while providing a delightful visual spectacle for you and your family to enjoy throughout the seasons. Number 5. Nature Anywhere Window Bird Feeder. Bring the beauty of nature right to your window. Our transparent feeder allows you to observe your feathered friends up close, creating a delightful experience for everyone. Featuring enhanced suction grip technology, this feeder stays firmly in place, even in harsh weather. Its durable construction ensures it withstands the elements, providing a reliable feeding spot. Tired of squirrels raiding your bird feeder? Our innovative design keeps those pesky critters away, ensuring the seeds are reserved for the birds. Enjoy uninterrupted bird watching. Keeping your feeder clean is a breeze. Spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying the vibrant colors and songs of the birds visiting your garden. Looking for a unique gift? This bird feeder is an ideal present for bird enthusiasts, nature lovers, and even cat owners who enjoy watching wildlife. It's a thoughtful gift that brings joy year-round. We stand by the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime guarantee and dedicated customer support. We're here to ensure you have the best bird watching experience. What we like? This feeder offers a crystal clear view of your feathered friends right from your window. Its enhanced suction grip ensures it stays put, even in windy conditions. If you're looking for a way to enjoy bird watching from the comfort of your home, especially if you have pets like cats who enjoy observing wildlife, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The feeder is easy to fill and hang. Birds seem to love it, especially the smaller ones. It's a beautiful addition to the garden and holds a good amount of seed. Number 4. Droll Yankees Yankee Flipper Squirrel-Proof Bird Feeder. Tired of squirrels raiding your bird feeder? This innovative design features a weight-activated spinning perch that gently deters squirrels, ensuring birds can dine in peace. Keep your feathered friends happy with a generous 5-pound seed capacity. The durable tube allows you to easily monitor seed levels, reducing the need for frequent refills. Our battery-operated motor creates a spinning action that humanely deters squirrels without causing them harm. Enjoy reliable squirrel-proof operation with its rechargeable battery and encased motor. Designed with multiple seed ports and a perch ring, it accommodates various bird species. An internal baffle ensures a consistent seed flow to all feeding stations. Crafted in the USA with a focus on performance and reliability, this feeder is built to last for years. Enjoy quality bird feeding season after season. What we like? This feeder boasts an innovative weight-activated spinning perch that humanely deters squirrels. It holds a generous 5 pounds of seed, reducing refill frequency. If you're tired of squirrels raiding your bird feeders and want a reliable, long-term solution that keeps the seed safe for birds, this is the one for you. What people say. The feeder is easy to assemble and fill. The birds seem to love it, and it holds a good amount of seed. It's also very sturdy and has held up well in windy conditions. Number 3. Yosager Premium Bird Feeding Station Kit. Introducing our Premium Bird Feeding Station Kit, designed to bring the beauty of wild birds right to your doorstep. With its generous size, it offers a perfect viewing spot from your window or patio. This versatile station comes with multiple hooks, a mesh tray, and a water tray, allowing you to provide a variety of food and water. It's an ideal solution to attract a wide range of garden birds. Crafted with high-quality, anti-rust coated metal, this feeder stand is built for durability. Its sturdy forked base ensures stability and easy placement in your yard. Setting up is a breeze, no tools required. You can easily adjust all components by hand to your preferred positions. The large water and seed trays are also simple to fill and clean. Share the joy of bird watching with this exceptional gift. It's perfect for parents, children, and anyone who appreciates nature, offering a delightful and engaging activity for all ages. What we like? This is a comprehensive feeding station kit designed to attract a wide variety of birds. It includes multiple hooks, a water tray, and a seed tray, all mounted on a sturdy, adjustable pole. If you want to create a complete bird haven in your garden and enjoy observing diverse bird species, this all-in-one solution is perfect for you. What people say. The feeder is easy to assemble and fill. Birds seem to love this feeder, especially the larger ones. The design is attractive and it holds a good amount of seed. Number 2. Cute cat-shaped outdoor wild bird feeder. Introducing a uniquely designed wild bird feeder, shaped like a cute cat. Its shining copper color will catch the eye of both birds and people. Crafted with an all-metal, sturdy structure, this feeder is chew-proof and resistant to rust. It's designed to withstand the elements and keep squirrels at bay, saving you money on seed. Refilling and cleaning are a breeze with no tools required. Simply lift the lid to add more seed, and easily monitor the 2 pounds capacity through the metal mesh. The 0.8 centimeters wide metal grid is ideal for various large seeds like peanuts and sunflower seeds. Drainage holes ensure the seeds stay dry and fresh. Watch as cardinals, goldfinches, chickadees, and many more species flock to this feeder. It's a wonderful way to bring nature closer. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This hanging bird feeder is perfect for parents, children, and any bird lover, making it a great choice for Mother's Day or any occasion. What we like? This feeder stands out with its unique and stylish cute cat shape, adding a decorative touch to your garden. Its durable all-metal construction is chew-proof and rust-resistant. If you're looking for a feeder that is not only functional but also a charming piece of garden decor, and you primarily feed larger seeds, this is an excellent option. What people say? The feeder is easy to fill and hang. Birds love this feeder, especially the finches and chickadees. The squirrel baffle works great, keeping the squirrels from raiding the feeder. Number 1. Metal bird feeder for outdoors hanging. Tired of squirrels raiding your bird feeder? Our metal design effectively prevents chewing, protecting the feed and reducing waste. It's built tough for outdoor use, resisting wind and rain. This feeder holds a generous 3.0 lb of seed, meaning fewer refills. The easy open lid allows for quick top-ups, and one fill can last about a week, even in winter. Keep your birdseed dry and fresh, no matter the weather. Its unique roof design and drainage holes prevent water buildup, ensuring the feed is always ready for your feathered friends. With multiple feeding ports and a circular perch, this feeder invites many birds to dine at once. It's perfect for various seed types, attracting a wider variety of species to your garden. Maintaining hygiene is simple. The feeder disassembles easily without tools, making cleaning quick and efficient. This ensures the health of the birds and the longevity of the feeder. What we like? This feeder features a 360 degrees perch design, allowing multiple birds to feed simultaneously from all sides. Its weatherproof roof keeps the seed dry, and it's incredibly easy to disassemble for cleaning. If you want to maximize the number of birds you can attract and appreciate a feeder that is both durable and simple to maintain, this is a great choice. What people say? The feeder is easy to fill and hang. Birds seem to love it, especially the finches. The design is attractive and holds a good amount of seed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.